Hello and welcome to E-MultiSkills video tutorial. This video tutorial we will learn how to back up a specific database from MySQL Server by using MySQL dump. So if you remember in our previous demo, what we had done is using the MySQL dump utility, we have backed up all the databases and then we have zipped it. But in this case, what we are going to do is we are going to take a backup of a specific database, and the database name will not be specific. It will be on a specific pattern. So we'll see how to do that. The syntax for using the MySQL dump backup is MySQL dump -- user, and a user who should be able to take up the backup. I'm not going to use the backup use because it's a super user. So what I'm going to use is a MySQL backup user, which we will create, and then we have to pass the password, then provide the database name, redirect it to the location where you want to store the backup dump file. So in the first step, what we are going to do is we are going to create a MySQL user backup. And in the second script, what we are going to do is we are going to create a shell script. There we will pass on the database name as testdb, and then we will take a backup. Let us see how it is going to work. So I'm going to log into MySQL dump. So let's log into MySQL using mysql-u-p. So I'm logged in as root user now. So if I say show databases, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 database. So I wanted to take a backup of the database where the pattern is something like test or any other pattern which you can you wanted to do. So in the first step, what we are going to do is we are going to create a user. So this we have seen several times, so I'm not going to repeat this again and again. So it is just creating a user MySQL backup at localhost. Then we will give some grants and privileges, and that's it. So let's create the user. So just I'm pasting all the commands together. So you can see that MySQL backup at localhost is created. Then we are going to create a shell script. This is a very basic shell script wherein the dump path is mentioned, date is given because the table the data will be saved in the date the dump and the .date .sql. So let me copy and paste the content, then I'll explain what it is going to do is. So this is the shell script. It's a very basic script which we are going to use. So the important part in this is we are getting the database list. So you can see the mysql-b-s username, which we have already created, password we are giving. Then we are passing on a string which is saying select distinct table name from information schema.tables where, and what we are saying is provide us all the database name which is having test or any other pattern which you wanted to see. So let us copy and paste this entire script. So once it is, you get the database name. So we pass on here. So MySQL dump --user -- password. Then we provide the database name. And the rest of the script is same what we have seen in previous demo. Let's copy and paste the entire script. This will be available in the comment section as well. So let us execute as sh-x if there is some issues, and it is showing like a warning, you should not pass on the password on the command prompt, so that is insecure. That is well taken care. In the previous demo we have seen how to avoid using that, but just to keep this very simple and basic, we have used it directly onto the prompt, and this is a demo environment. So this is the command which is coming out actually is mysql dump --user, which is the username is mysql backup, which is privileged to take the database backup, and this is the password, and the database which is getting backed up is testdb. So let me see where is the backup. dump file. So this is the backup dump file. If I simply say vi, I should be able to see the database which has been backed up. So you can see MySQL dump 10.3 distribution is this one, host is localhost, database name is testdb. So only testdb is being backed up and all the relevant tables and data has been backed up. So we have taken a backup using the shell script wherein we have passed down the specific pattern. And what was the pattern? The pattern is this one. Shift and let me copy and paste this thing once again on to the MySQL prompt. So I'm logged into the prompt, and if I say select, this is the string which has been used to generate the database name. So this is select distinct table schema from information underscore schema dot tables, where table schema like test. So in MySQL, the schema refers to the database. So this is the database which is being backed up. This is testdb. So this is very simple and straight. I hope this is going to help. And if you wanted to see some more options, you can explore more on MySQL. So a lot of options are available in it. So in next tutorial, we'll see how to take the backup of a specific table, and that's it. Thanks for watching.